Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2016 Jeep Patriot High Altitude, stock number E2109PA. Only 31,000 miles on this one, 32,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report, black in color. You do receive the Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat backs fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This high altitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, moonroof, again only 32,000 miles, tilt wheel, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, auxiliary input, allows you to connect those media devices, automatic temperature control, and heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. 115 volt outlet, perfect for charging media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Auto dimming mirror and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Patriot has a 2-liter 4-cylinder, 158 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 26 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Patriot, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.